what's going on? JakeOfALL here, and I wanted to do a little quick video because a couple people have noticed that I have two of these. They are not the same. One's a Surge and one's a Gen 2 M12, fuel. Obviously, besides this bit holder and this sticker, they generally look. I'm doing it.
I know. Sorry, guys. I gotta interrupt for a second. Speaking of bit holders, somebody called and said they want you to adapt that to their Gen 3.
Well, I mean, it probably fits. I don't have a Gen 3.
Well, lucky for you, they decided to give you one. So that video is gonna be about this now.
I guess in this video, we're gonna compare the Gen 2 to the Gen 3. Besides the fact that bit holders don't fit. So, chainsaw, right?
Okay. Should we do the code thing?
Let's see, is our code?
What's this?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, look, here.
All right, well,
we don't have the boyfriend here this time to do it.
Ha.
Wait, can you read it? Well, it's all backwards. Wait, which way do I need to go? Can you read it? Okay, there you go.
Okay, so this is the 345320. The Gen 2 is 255320. 20 meaning no battery, right? So let's do the normal stuff here, and let's get some weights, and then we'll go over a couple other things. I've got some settings and all that fun stuff. I'm surprised that you wanted me to have another tool because...
It wasn't my idea, it was the customer's idea.
Oh, but
I
you would
just do what they say.
But you would have bitched that I had like 3
Complained?
Complained.
Yes,
okay.
Complained.
Okay, so with the bit holder, 1 pound, 12 ounces.
Okay.
Not bad.
That's lighter.
Oh, wow. 1 pound, 9.8. That's like 3 ounces?
Yeah.
Interesting. Can you see that? So the Gen 3 is not as long.
Wah, wah, wah.
Height-wise, they're about the same. Single LED, 3 LEDs. What a couple people have commented on, I originally thought it would work. It will go on there. It won't look amazing, but
some gappage. Right
here, yeah, she's got some gaps. It's not gonna seat well against it. We definitely want to make sure we don't take too much space this way because of vent holes, but I think we could change that. But besides throwing stuff around, I haven't even heard this one.
Yeah, we should do our sound thing. Find it.
Let me give you some numbers while she finds the sound meter. Okay.
I don't take my thumb off first.
So the Gen 3 has 1,500 inch-pounds. 1,500 inch-pounds. Give you a good number. The Atomic, I just looked this up today. The Atomic 20 volt is 1,700, and this is a 12 volt, so that's awesome. The Gen 2 has 1,300 inch-pounds. It is 3,600 RPMs, 3,300 RPMs, so it's a little faster, a little bit more foot-pounds. So they both say this 4 mode, right, with self-tapping. The Gen 2 doesn't say self-tapping, but if you look, there's a self-tapping. So I think they both have that self-tapping mode. Let's do the sound. Right, you stay there.
Okay.
81.
81. Yeah.
Same battery.
78.
So we noticed that, right, on the M18 stubby versus the M12, the M18 was a little higher pitch. Mm-hmm. It was a little more sound. So sound-wise, it's like 1 dB louder. It weighs 3 ounces less. It's got 300 more RPMs, and I'm not going to even get out that RPM meter because that thing was a pain. But let's put a battery in it. That's funny. Hydraulic. wow. Turn that thing back on real quick.
Nice.
So this is an XC60 and this is a CP20.
Is that like a C3PO?
Yeah.
Is that how you say it?
All right, that one was the 79.
83.
Wow, so 83 on one of these. This is right, except for the batteries they just released at the Milwaukee event that I didn't get invited to.
You're still salty about that, huh?
Give me a break. This one is the biggest battery, the XC60 that they have. I love these M12s. I started with an M18. I know I downsized.
Don't you all?
Downsized, and I still have the M18. I have multiple drills.
Oh, okay.
I know, right? You like multiple. But look, I got 3. So this surge is what I use around the house when I'm doing like mounting a TV or something like that. The M12 installation driver is probably my #1 for general screwing. I had to make the movement, right?
Yeah.
But this, I'm sure, right, we'll see, or at least I hope, we see a Gen 3, or I guess it would be probably a Gen 2, because I don't think there was a Gen 1. I think this is the Gen 1 surge. It would be nice to see this in a surge. But I do use this a lot. As you can see, it's got scuff marks.
Oh my gosh, you actually use your own tools?
Dirty. Look, there's like crap stuck to the bit holder. Obviously, right, you saw the bit holders. I think we're gonna redesign this bit holder so that you can put, I'm showing you the wrong angle, multiple nut drivers right next to each other. So that way you can get...
You can have multiple nuts?
Yeah, more than one nut in the same space.
More than one, that's a good thing.
Okay, so yeah, the M12 Gen 2 has been, lovely. It works great. I really like my surge a lot too. I probably wouldn't have bought this if it wasn't for the fact that somebody needed it, but since this doesn't fit on here great, I really should obviously update the design.
Yeah, you should.
But
I'll do it.
Are you done? Are we done?
You gotta be done, because I got one more thing to add.
Okay, I can be done.
All right, good.
So make sure you buy a bit holder.
Once you get them designed.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
all right, well, I'm done then, right?
Well, we have a giveaway to do.
We have a giveaway.
Yep, here, these bad boys are
here. The bison, the bit holder. Yeah, so you guys saw these injection molded, right? We've got the level, the universal one, level, pole, whatever. And we have the cord or hose holders. So yes. 2 winners.
Yep, 2 winners. I'm just going to pick them randomly.
She's just going to pick.
Bing bong.
Just gonna pick. Whoa.
Bing bong. Okay, how about this one? Kevin Herter. I'm a general remodeling contractor. Went from DeWalt to Rigid, now Milwaukee. Bought the coffin. They call it in 5-piece set with 7 batteries. I can see an addiction coming on. So far, the fuel has been nice. From the SDS, 2 drills and saws.
Sweet. Okay.
B11.
What do we want to give him?
We'll give him. He's got the coffin. So we'll give him this one.
Okay.
We'll give him
cord
the
holder.
Cord
For Kevin.
Yep. Cord Kevin. All right. Then. How about I'm a technician for commercial overhead rolling steel door, garage/warehouse bay doors. This would be great for my level and extension cord that are always loose and having to carry separately over the shoulder. Would be a great add-on to my PACKOUT. Oswaldo Pereira.
Okay, well he said level, so.
Yep, he gets that one.
All right.
All right.
We only have 1.
Yeah.
So perfect.
And it's hot. I'm sweating already.
It's hot.
Ready to get in the pool.
Well, I got this drill unboxed, so now I got to go hop into CAD and update my designs. And
yeah, and it's hot.
I guess I better make sure it stays clean, right?
I mean, yeah, you can put the kids to work cleaning it. What are you doing?
I don't know. My table saw makes noise. Well, okay, that's fine. I'll make the kids clean tools.
Yep.
What are you going to do, PACKOUT Princess?
I gotta go get kids from school.
No more kids. Don't have kids.
No, don't. They're overrated. Just kidding.
I mean, I spent my day using this to install a lock on our cabinet, so.
Yes.
All right, well, I'm the JakeOfALL.
And I'm PACKOUT Princess.
Wow, I wasn't done. I guess I'll pack out of here.
Yeah, it's time to go.
Let me grab this one too. See you guys.
Yeah.